everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making holiday ornaments. I love making ornaments, and we are using scrap fabrics and a bunch of beads from John Bead. Now, this is a great scrap buster and bead buster if you have leftover beads and leftover scrap fabric that you don't know what to do with. It's also a great holiday gift if you're going to a party and you want to just give somebody a handmade ornament. It's a perfect little gift. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. And you know how much I love it when you pop in and say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make some holiday ornaments. Christmas ornaments originated in Germany when Hans Greiner began to make glass ornaments called baubles during the 1800s. These were the first manufactured Christmas ornaments, and they were a huge commercial success. Ribbon making likely dates back to the early Middle Ages when the invention of the horizontal loom allowed for the creation of more complex woven textiles. Ribbons quickly became a trend and were pinned to clothing and wrapped into hairstyles. The Czech Republic is one of the world's leading glass bead manufacturers. Its success is a result not of big factories, but of cottage artisans. Families would set up glass bead making in their cottages, where often the machinery would take the place of furniture. The first decorated Christmas trees were adorned with apples, white candy canes, and pastries in the shapes of stars, hearts, and flowers. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you next week. Bye.